Welcome back to Curious Scan. Today, I'm gonna save you some serious money. I'm giving you Adobe Express Premium for 4 full months completely for free. No credit card required. Let's get started. First, open the exclusive link in the description. You can sign up manually or just use Google for speed. Once logged in, you need to update your profile to unlock the offer. Upload a photo. Enter your name, gender, age, and field of study. Important. When it asks, participate in Brandstorm at your school, select No. Tick all the terms and conditions boxes and hit Next. Now, verify your email address. Check your inbox, click the link, and you're good to go. Once verified, you'll see this dashboard. Look at the top right corner and click on the Adobe Express icon. Enter the email address where you want the subscription. Click Create your Adobe account. Log in if you have an existing Adobe account or create a new one right here. Now, on the redemption page, simply click on Redeem Code. The system will automatically apply your free months. Crucial step. When it asks about renewal or payment method, select Remind Me Later. You do not need to add a card. Finally, click Get Started. Finish the setup, and boom, your 4-month Adobe Express Premium subscription is fully active. But wait, there's more. If you check the benefits section, you'll see tons of other offers, including LinkedIn Premium for 3 months. If you want a dedicated video on getting LinkedIn Premium, drop a comment below. Smash that like button, subscribe to Curious Scan, and share this with your designer friends. I'll see you in the next banger video. Bye!